So Bob didn't bother to tell you what happened last summer? It was just about a year ago, in the middle of July, and a group of kids that seemed about your age were passing by. They had plans to spend their summer in a cabin by the lake, but they didn't know the bloody turn their lives would all soon take. So the kids were at the cabin and they're going hard all night. They were gonna drink and party straight into the morning light. But a dark, mysterious figure didn't approve of all their play. And when he arrived, he soon contrived a way to make them pay. He stuck his knife into the chest of one poor girl as she undressed. The guy she was about to screw then had his body cut in two. But all of this was just the start. Next he ripped out the stoner's heart. He chopped this chick into little bits, all because she showed someone her tits. The last who screamed when